Yo, it's your boy Jay Will back with another video. Just came off another vacation. A lot of people have been DMing me saying do another ClickBank video, set up another campaign. So today I'm gonna set up a quick campaign. You guys can follow step by step. Let's get to it. Okay, we're gonna go to the ClickBank marketplace. We're gonna look for a product called Diabetes Freedom. Here we go, right here. About 49 bucks for a commission. Now for this particular product, I did build a quick funnel I threw together. I'll show you guys right here. And after I set this up, if you guys want this funnel, just leave it in the comments below and let me know if you want this funnel or not. So let's go create a new campaign. Diabetes Freedom. About 100 bucks a day. Add budget. Uncheck this. Save and go to the next step. All right, I'm gonna use this keyword tool. These are the keywords I'm gonna use right here. Make keyword list. Gonna copy this. Paste that right in here. Gonna head to the next step. Let's go. Diabetes Freedom Official. Oh, spell official wrong. We're gonna go 75% off today only. Get instant access. Swing over to Bing. I'm gonna copy this today. Copy this whole description. Paste that in there. Write limited time offer. Get instant access. We'll swing over to ClickMagick. Gonna grab my link. Make sure it works. Bow. There we go. It's the link I'm gonna use. In here, grab my tracking link from ClickMagick. Track. Paste that in the tracking template. All right, query strings to see what everybody's typing in to get our sales. Save it. There we go. All right, so ad is created. Gonna scroll down, save, and go to the next step. Ad budget. We're gonna start off at $5 per click. Gonna swing down advanced campaign settings. Ad distribution. Bing and LL only, and save. So that's how you set up a quick campaign with ClickBank. I would show you guys the results for this campaign. A lot of people have been asking me for the results, so I would, once this campaign get approved and start running, I would show you guys the results for how it works. If you want this funnel, leave a comment below in the descriptions. In the meanwhile, like, subscribe, comment, and you guys have a good day.